Okay, so now we're going to address the second test, which is the internal rotation test up against the wall. So what we're going to do here is just a passive PNF, an active PNF against internal rotation. So we're going head resting on the roller here. Really important that you're resting the head so you don't jerk through the cervical spine too much. Then we're going to push the hand towards the belt buckle. Just takes a bit of pressure off the shoulder capsule, puts the shoulder in a nice position. What we're going to do is get into our max internal rotation. So I don't want you to cheat by falling back. It allows you to get more range. Stay in the same position here. Find that max spot. And then you're going to hold this stretch, pushing down not as hard as you can, just about 20-30%. Hold that for around 2 minutes. Then what you're going to do is push up into this top hand. So you're doing that into your hand for an isometric, and then drawing down for 10 seconds each. So 10 seconds up and then straight away 10 seconds down. And then you're gonna find that new end range. And what you'll find is your internal rotation's increased. And then you're gonna go again and down. And that is our shoulder sleeper stretch, PAILS and rails, okay? So this is gonna be the best thing you can do to address your internal rotation deficit. And that's test number 2. Thanks guys.